Alegre House, a stunning renovation by Jorge Vidal, transformed an existing concrete structure into a coastal haven. The design aimed to create a seamless connection between the interior and exterior, blurring the lines between the house and its surroundings. The pine wood and the structure themselves seem to blend harmoniously with the Mediterranean landscape. The first floor was designed to maximize natural light and offer breathtaking views. The spacious main room and living area became the heart of the home, inviting residents to relax and enjoy the serene ambience. The ground floor, housing the remaining rooms, also incorporated elements that brought the outdoors in. The project's overarching concept was to evoke the sensual allure of the Mediterranean Sea within the confines of the house. To achieve this, Vidal carefully selected materials that would complement the coastal theme. The iconic stone of Ibiza, known for its earthy tones and unique texture, was used extensively throughout the structure. This choice added a touch of authenticity and sophistication to the design. Local wood was another key element in the material palette. Its warm, natural tones and organic character created a sense of comfort and connection to the surrounding environment. The combination of Ibiza stone and local wood resulted in a harmonious and inviting interior that reflected the spirit of the Mediterranean. Alegre House is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and the importance of selecting the right materials. By opening up the interior, incorporating natural elements, and using materials that evoke the essence of the Mediterranean, Vidal created a home that is both visually stunning and deeply relaxing. Thank you for watching our video about Jorge Vidal's Alegre House. We hope you enjoyed the glimpse of this stunning concrete building's transformation. If you're inspired, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring architecture and design videos. We'll be sharing new content regularly, so be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.